So here's your Say the Sounds for this week. And are you ready? Point to the sound qua, as in queen. Qua, as in queen. There it is. Point to the digraph sh, as in ship. Sh, as in ship. Well done. Point to the digraph x, as in ducks. X, as in ducks. Point to the letter name V. Oh, that's not a sound, is it? That's the letter name. The sound is V, as in van. Well done. Point to the phoneme. Sound V, as in glove. There it is. So we've got V as in van at the beginning or middle, and V as in glove. The V sound that you'd find at the end of a word. Point to the digraph Z, as in buzz. Z, as in buzz. And finally, point to the digraph W, as in web. W, as in web. Well done, everybody.